Hey, foodies and globetrotters, ready to embark on a culinary adventure? Today, we're diving into the 10 must-try dishes from around the world that you simply can't miss. First up, we're heading to Japan to savor the delicate artistry of sushi. Whether you're enjoying fresh nigiri, classic sashimi, or creative maki rolls, each bite is a taste of Japanese tradition and precision. Next, let's jet off to Spain for a taste of paella. This iconic dish from Valencia combines saffron-infused rice with a mix of seafood, meats, and vegetables. It's a party on your plate. Canada's comfort food classic Poutine is up next. Crispy fries topped with cheese curds and smothered in rich gravy, perfect for warming up on a chilly day. From Thailand, we bring you pad thai. This stir-fried noodle dish is bursting with tangy, savory, and sweet flavors, making it a street food favorite across the globe. Let's spice things up with a dish from India, Biryani. This fragrant rice dish is layered with tender meat or veggies and aromatic spices. Each bite is a journey through Indian cuisine. From France, we have the rustic and flavorful Ratatouille. This Provençal vegetable stew is a celebration of fresh, seasonal produce, making it both hearty and healthy. Time to talk about Mexico. Soft or crispy tortillas filled with seasoned meat, beans, cheese, and fresh salsa. Tacos are a true fiesta of flavors. Sweet tooths, rejoice! Turkey's baklava is a treat you can't miss. Layers of flaky phyllo dough, nuts, and honey create a sweet symphony that's both crunchy and indulgent. In China, dim sum takes center stage. These small, flavorful dishes from dumplings to buns are perfect for sharing and savoring with a pot of fragrant tea. Finally, we wrap up our journey in Greece with moussaka. This comforting casserole features layers of eggplant, ground meat, and creamy bechamel sauce, truly a taste of Greek tradition. There you have it, 10 must-try dishes from around the world. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious adventures. Bon appétit and happy travels!